Good morning, students. Welcome to your math lesson. And today we are on page 97 in your Envision Math Workbook. We are on lesson 3-2, and it looks like this. Okay, let us go to the I can statement, which is written up at the top of page 97, and I've also written it for you right here. I can use an open number line to add tens and ones within 100. Once again, we're on page 97, and yesterday we started a new unit of study, a new topic, and it's topic 3, and it's all about adding two-digit numbers within 100. And we discussed ways to use the hundreds grid to help you. And today we're going to talk about and learn about how to use an open number line. Okay, so the solve and share asks you to use the number line to find 35 plus 24. Okay, and then write an equation and explain your work. So I want you to go ahead and do that now and pause the video here and then come back for the rest of the lesson. Okay, welcome back. So some of the vocabulary that we might not by going to the right, and that means it's increasing. All right, and we are starting at, for instance, if we do the solve and share, we're starting at a number, the first addend, 35. And 35 is going to be our starting point. And we need to label it. We need to label every single point on the open number line. And then we are increasing by 24. So there are a couple ways you can do it. And one way you can do it is to split it up. Split 24 up into its tens and ones, just like we do every morning with the expanded form equation of the number of days. So here we have 24 equals 20 plus 4. So we're adding to 35, and we can split the 20 up into two tens. So we can make two jumps for 10. 1, 2. And then we have to put 10 on top and 10 on top. So plus 10 plus 10. And then we label the points on the number line as well. So 35 plus 10 equals 36, and 36 is going to be right there. 36 plus 10 is going to equal 46, and 46 is going to be right there on the number line. So my labels are exactly on the points of the number line where the 10 plus the jump hits. Okay, so if this is 35 and it's my starting point, I'll put it a little closer. Then 10 more is 36, and 10 more is 46. And then I still have 4 ones. So I need to go up 4 ones. So I would go 47, 48, 49, 50, and that's where I stop, is 50. So I increased by 2 tens and 4. Okay, so I'm doing, first step, doing my open number line. And then I'm going to write the equation down here, 59 plus 24. Okay, and I'm going to split it up into my tens, split up the second addend, 24, into my tens and ones. 24 equals 20 plus 4. So that's the same as the other one, isn't it? Plus 24. So I have 53 over here. 59 over here. 59 is labeled. That's my starting point. Okay, that's going to be my starting point on the number line. And in the book, they have a number line that goes like this, and it continues. If that's what you're going to do, you still need to label your starting point. Your starting point needs to be labeled with a tick on the number line. Right, so we have 59, and we are going to add 2 tenths, or we can add 20. So 59, 69, 79. And I can do one jump and just say that that is plus 20. Okay, and then I have 59, 69, 79, and I put 79 here. But then I still need to add my 4 ones. So 79, 80, that's 1, 82, 83, 84. So let me count and make sure that's right. 79, 1, 2, 3, 4. 79, 80, 81, 82, 83. And I'll go to the second guided practice problem, 47 plus 25. And right away, I'm going to put my equation right here, 47 plus 25. Okay, and I'm going to use a number line to solve this. And I'm going to use like the one they're using in the book, the 2 arrows. But I know that it's increasing, right, because I am adding. So I'm going to the right. Right, yeah, to the right. All right, so we have 47, so we start at 47. And then now we can also go up the ones first if we want. So 47, and we're going to go up 5 ones. And I know that 5 can be split up into 3 plus 2 because I know my math facts and so do you. So my 5 can be split up into 3 plus 2. So I'm going to go 47. 47 plus 3 is 50. Right? And then I'm going to do 2 more, 51, 52. And now I have the 2 more. Twenty-four, 25, and it does. So my answer is 72. So this is a third way that you can do it, a third way. Whichever way works for you is the way you should use. There's 3 different layers here that you can use to solve a 2-digit addition equation within 100. Okay, so the first one we'll review was adding the tens first and then the ones. The second one was adding the whole group of tens, so whatever it was, all the tens, and then the ones. And then the third way I showed you was adding the ones first and then the tens. Okay, so this way you are starting, let's say the equation is 32 plus 15. You are starting at 32. At 32, but you would add the whole 20, and then you have to put plus 20 on top, and then 32, 42, 52, and then you add the 5 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's 57. Should we put all our labels? All right, and then here you would add the ones first, so you start at 32, and you add the ones first, and there's 5 ones. So 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you get to 37. And then you add your tens. 37, 47, 57. And they all lead me to the same answer, but it's 3 different ways. 1, which is the way I prefer. 2, which some of you really good math quick thinkers would do it that way. And then 3, and some of your alternative math thinkers would do it this way. Okay? Once again, we're adding 2-digit numbers within 100. And we're splitting up the tens and the ones. And we're using a number line. Okay, and that's it for the lesson today. And I'll see you back in the classroom.